name is Juliet Nangamba. I'm from CTDT, Community Technology Development Trust from Zambia. Our main focuses are on climate change. We try to sensitize farmers about climate change and what they should do to become more resilient to climate change. We offer gender training to empower the women. You know, women are the most marginalized, and we want to have these power balances in the farming communities, because women are the most marginalized and they're the custodian of natural resources.